Hello students, how are you? Happy, stay happy and stay healthy and enjoy your holidays. Not only holidays, you should keep yourself safe from this disease and do some work also, study also and exercise also to keep yourself fit and eat healthy food. So today Saturday is there. Are you ready to enjoy the activity? Yes, of course. Everyone waits the activity. Today we are going to perform the one activity that is related to sink and float. You will see which I have taken some fruits and vegetables. I am showing you. I have taken these fruits and vegetables. Now I am showing you what is the behavior of these fruits, whether they will sink or float. Then you will make two groups, one sink and one float. I will put sink in another side and float in another side. See, what is this? This is gourd. I am putting it in the water. See, what is this one? Can you see? Yes, of course you can see. Is it there downside the water? No, it has come upside. Then it is floating. It is floating. Now I am putting another. This is the capsicum. I am putting capsicum. See what you can see. Capsicum is also floating. Then this is, now you can see I have taken one cucumber. I am putting it in the water. Then what you can see, it is also floating. Then all these things are floating. Some other things also. Tomato is also floating. This one, potato. What you can see, potato has a sink and all these things are floating. Now see, I have taken one apple. I am going to throw this apple in the bucket and you can see it is again floating. Now I have taken one brinjal. Now I am going to throw it, putting it in the water. You can see it is also floating. Now I have taken one melon and now you will observe whether it is floating or not. See, it is also floating. Now I think you understand sink and float. Some objects they sink. Sink means they went downside the water, and some after putting in the water they come upside. They are called floating. Like this one. This is floating. This is floating. These are floating. This is again floating. Means tomato is also floating. This cucumber is also floating. This apple is also floating. And this one, melon, is also floating. Only you can see this potato, that is sink, that has gone downside. So you will find, I hope you have enjoyed this activity. You will find some objects at your home, fruits, vegetable, whatever you have, and you will do this activity with them and make the list that how they are floating, which things are floating and which things are a sink in the water. Perform this activity and make the list. In one side sink and one side float. Thank you. Have enjoyed activity, I think.